Hello friends, welcome back to Talk with Shivi channel. Today we are presenting countries in Africa continent and their capitals. Let's start. Country Algeria, capital city Algiers. Country Angola, capital city Luanda. Country Benin, capital city Porto Novo. Country Botswana, capital city Gaborone. Country Burkina Faso and capital city Ouagadougou. Country Burundi, capital city Gitega. Country Cabo Verde, capital city Praia. Country Cameroon, capital city Yaoundé. Country Central African Republic, capital city Bangui. Country Chad, capital city N'Djamena. Country Comoros, capital city Moroni. Country Democratic Republic of Congo, capital city Kinshasa. Country Republic of the Congo, capital city Brazzaville. Country Côte d'Ivoire, capital city Yamoussoukro. Country Djibouti, capital city Djibouti. Country Egypt, capital city Cairo. Country Equatorial Guinea, capital city Malabo Dizore. Country Equatorial Guinea, capital city Malabo Dizore, Oyala, seat of government. Country Eritrea, capital city Asmara. Country Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, capital city Mbabane, administrative Lobamba, legislative royal. Country Ethiopia, capital city Addis Ababa. Country Gabon, capital city Libreville. Country Gambia, capital city Banjul. Country Ghana, capital city Accra. Country Guinea, capital city Conakry. Country Guinea-Bissau, capital city Bissau. Country Kenya, capital city Nairobi. Country Lesotho, capital city Maseru. Country Liberia, capital city Monrovia. Country Libya, capital city Tripoli. Country Madagascar, capital city Antananarivo. Country Malawi, capital city Lilongwe. Country Mali, capital city Bamako. Country Mauritania, capital city Nouakchott. Country Mauritius, capital city Port Louis. Country Morocco, capital city Rabat. Country Mozambique, capital city Maputo. Country Namibia, capital city Windhoek. Country Niger, capital city Niamey. Country Nigeria, capital city Abuja. Country Rwanda, capital city Kigali. Country Sao Tome and Principe, capital city Sao Tome. Country Senegal, capital city Dakar. Country Seychelles, capital city Victoria. Country Sierra Leone, capital city Freetown. Country Somalia, capital city Mogadishu. Country South Africa, capital city Pretoria, administrative, Cape Town legislative, Bloemfontein judicial. Country South Sudan, capital city Juba. Country Sudan, capital city Khartoum. Country Tanzania, capital city Dodoma. Country Togo, capital city Lome. Country Tunisia, capital city Tunis. Country Uganda, capital city Kampala. Country Zambia, capital city Lusaka. Country Zimbabwe, capital city Harare. So friends, these are countries in Africa continents and their capitals. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.